Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to inflate the tires and have the optimum pressure in your Xiaomi M365 scooter. In order to do this we need some accessories. One is this air pump and it has to be with a manometer. We need a dedicated manometer, especially for the front tire, and a little accessory provided with the scooter in order to be able to inflate the front tire. Let's do it. To inflate the front tire, we need to take out the cap first. This little cap. Okay, this is the cap. Then we need to use this adapter from Xiaomi. Okay, in my case I'm using a car pump. Okay, so I just put it like this in the car pump. I press this little button and I'll try to put it on the wheel. You have to twist it until you hear a little fizz. Okay, in my case right now the pressure is 3 bar. I want to tell you that the pressure in the tire depends a lot on your weight. You have on the screen the recommended pressure per weight categories. In my case I have around 80 kilos, so I'm going to put 3.5 bar in my front tire. Okay, so I'll start to inflate it. When you inflate it, I recommend to put around 4.2, 4.5 bar in the tire, because when you unscrew this little screw here, okay, you are going to lose around between 0.5 and 1 bar. Okay, trust me, this is what happens all the time. So right now I'm going to unscrew it. Okay, I lost a little bit of pressure and I'm going to take this manometer to measure the actual tire pressure. So right now I have 3.5 in my front wheel. It's okay, this is what I want. I put back the little cap and this is it. On the back wheel the operation is much simple than on the front wheel. You just need to take the cap out, put the pump to the valve, okay, and put around 4 bar into the tire, because you are going to lose a little bit of air when you take out the pump. Okay, and now let's measure it. Okay, I have 3.8. I want a little bit less. I want around 3.5. So I put my finger here to let some air out. Let's see. 3.6. Little bit. Okay, 3.5. This is the optimum tire pressure for me. I put the cap back and this is it. Thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe to my channel if you like this video.